Hello, my name is Tina, I'm head of design of Victoria Designs, and we have another crafting kit for you, the Autumn Harvest Crafting Printables Kit. Liz from the YouTube channel Liz the Paper Project has made a beautiful autumn journal with removable sections. Liz shares really beautiful journal-related crafts on our channel, like journals, pockets and mini albums, etc. In this video, Liz is going to show you her autumn journal and some of the printables of the Autumn Harvest Kit. The tutorial how to make the whole journal will be available in another video. And now let me give the word to Liz.
Hi friends, it's Liz here. Today I'll be showing you my album slash journal, and this is a design project for Victoria Designs. I will have a quick tutorial on how to make some of the elements that are removable, and then there's also going to be a tutorial for the full album slash journal and how to make it. So for the cover, as you can see, I didn't add anything too three-dimensional or anything like that because I do want it to lay flat. So I just have a little bit of decorating on the front. So you can see this album slash journal lays quite flat, and that is the reason I wanted to make it this way, because I really like to have a flat surface to work with when I'm journaling or adding photos, etc. You can see here some of the elements and ephemera from the gorgeous kit that I got to work with. I will have links and details in the description box below. As well, any questions, you can always leave them and let me know, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. So as you can see here, this one was the first page and it completely flips out, so you have lots of journaling space inside. I've got these removable ephemera pieces that you can add throughout the journal, but I thought I would add them to this section because this pulls right out and it's another little journaling area. And I thought I would just add these two large pockets because, again, if you're adding photos or things that you want to keep as memories for the theme and the season, then it would be nice to have lots of places to keep those together until you decide to journal about them or, add them to your photos or whatever it is that you're using this for. Again, lots of space to journal or add photos. I thought about, what I would do for the season. Of course, it's, for the 3 months. So I've added the little ephemera pieces that come in the kit as well. And then here at the top is a nice large pocket, again, with a space for photos, because this would be like a photo mat. And then the back, it could be for journaling, or you could add more to it as well. Same thing here, more journaling space. And then the next page as well flips right out, and then you've got additional storage slash journaling space as well. And I just really like how it came out. I like that, like I said, all the pages lay flat when you open them up. So this is one of the little ephemera holders in the journal slash album. And I've just added again some pieces from the kit, the pockets, and the entire page is made out of the junk journal pages in the kit. This is just an additional page that I just added, and then this is another little section where you can add more ephemera, more photos, more journaling, and these two sections that I showed you here are the ones that come out as well. So here's more journaling space, and then just some pieces that I thought would be nice to add at some point in the journal. Maybe I can add these as tags, or just embellishing the pages depending on what I decide. And then this is another little flip out again with another piece that I can use throughout. So the center piece, as you notice, it's got the ribbon that kind of wraps around the spine. So I have some sections in here that you can take out completely, but then the rest of the album, of course, is attached to the actual spine. So I really liked the option of doing that because I personally like to pull things out a lot in my journals, and I like to have the opportunity to take them out, bring them with me, put things back in, and or kind of share pieces of it if I wanted to as well. So again, this section has another journaling card from the kit, and then this has another little flip out and another large pocket for a tag. And again, this could be a tag, this could be a photo section. I've left it just really usable, user-friendly, and I'm just really loving the colors, and this is definitely my favorite season, so it's just nice to work with some of these pieces. This one again comes right out of that large pocket, and you can use journaling space here as well, or add more items if you needed to. And then here I just added some additional ephemera pieces in this little tuck spot on this page. And this side flips out again with more journaling space or ephemera holder sections. And then the back of it, I just added one of the pockets that came in the kit. I did make this large tag and then added some more ephemera pieces.